Well, we're in Friars Walk in Newport. We've just formally launched the Knife Angel, which is a wonderful statue made of thousands of confiscated and surrendered knives that really hears a powerful message about the dangers of young people engaging in violence and knife crime in particular. We hope that a lot of young people, and indeed older people, will come along and see it and read the message so that they understand what it's really all about.
Today we saw the Knife Angel on Friars Walk. It was really impactful to see in person, and it had such a big impact on me, and I think it's going to be so good at raising awareness of knife crime in the local community.
I think one of the main things that I found incredible was that seeing it online and seeing it in person is a completely different experience. It's so much bigger than I thought it would be, and it's so much more powerful, and the impact that it has on you is just, it's indescribable, and I think it's doing a really good job of raising awareness.